Welcome back, everybody. Check this out. We're gonna do a stir-fry family dinner tonight. I went to Costco this week. We did our shopping, picked up some cauliflower rice, a great sale, got some chicken, some veggies that we already had here at the house, and of course, we're gonna use the Mr. Yoshidas, so stick around. First things first, always on high heat for stir fry. It's a 36-inch griddle, my favorite stir fry machine. Lots of heat, just like when you go to get Chinese takeout, those woks are blazing hot, 600-700 degrees or more. The hotter the better. Avocado oil on the griddle top. I use a lot of avocado oil, and I also use extra virgin olive oil. That's the way I like to start my cooks. I like to have a shiny griddle, and that's also the way I'll pack it away when we're done tonight. Everybody knows that chicken thighs are more moist, but I have chicken breasts tonight. It's what we have. They're gonna be perfect. I butterflied the chicken breast and we chopped them up. About 3 pounds, maybe about 3 to 3.5 pounds of chicken breast down in the avocado oil. To get straight to it, might need to add a little more avocado oil as we go. And I'm gonna put down some garlic. To get that cooking, I'm gonna mix it straight up with the chicken. Gonna move my chicken over here to the side once I continue to cook. A little more avocado oil. Couldn't find any bell peppers in the house, but I found a red onion. Down with my red onion and a couple of carrots that I shaved with a carrot peeler. This should be the star of the show. Pick this up at Costco. Everything organic and like no carbs at all. So cauliflower rice and lots of veggies, 100% organic. The cauliflower rice, and it also has some peppers, peas, and corn. We're definitely gonna need a little more oil. The packaging says that there's a sesame ginger sauce in the rice. We'll use avocado and we'll finish up with Mr. Yoshidas. Our chicken is already about halfway done. We need the heat, we need the oils from the chicken to help the carrots cook and to help thaw out the cauliflower rice. The neat thing about stir fry, and one of the things I like most about stir fry, is it's never the same. I get really tired of cooking the same recipe over and over again. So it's really cool. Sometimes we'll have cauliflower rice. Sometimes we'll have white rice, jasmine rice, whatever. Sometimes we'll have noodles. Make sure you're watching my Let's Give It a Try show on Blackstone social media. Cooking on a lot of the brand new Blackstone griddles. You can see I've got a few sitting over here. So if you go out to Let's Give It a Try, you'll see last week did a video on the brand new 28-inch flex fold. Of course, these are the 22-inch flex fold. Here on my channel, you haven't seen it yet, but I've been doing videos on this since October, I think, and a couple more griddles. I just filmed a couple videos with the 22-inch Pro, the brand new, all stainless 22-inch Pro, and there's a lot more things coming. Go to my Instagram, another brand new Blackstone pizza oven. It's a new E-Series indoor, as in 900 degrees, just as hot as the outside. E-Series pizza oven. It's amazing. Stir fries looking really good. Grab some spinach. I always like to add spinach toward the end. I suppose you could do kale as well. It's a great way to add color to the stir fry, to bulk it up a little bit. I'm gonna grab some essential blend, salt, pepper, and garlic. You can season stir fry with anything. I love using the Blackstone pineapple sriracha. That's one of my favorites. We also use a lot of cayenne in our family. So down with a little bit of cayenne. Obviously you can do this to taste. We've got a big batch here. That spinach will cook down. It'll wilt down to nothing at all. And if you've been around any length of time, leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below, please. You can see I don't do a lot here on my channel. I went the better part of last year without doing anything here. I did a bunch of videos here in the fall, but every week I'm over at Blackstone social media, 52 episodes a year. But here, to make it more worth my while and more fun, and for the videos here to be shown to more people, I really need your help, and I could really use thumbs up and comments, so please do that. If you're wondering how cold it is, it's about 0 today. It was 6 degrees earlier. I haven't checked, but it feels really cold, so need to have those heaters going. Longtime viewers know that I love the Mr. Yoshidas. The best place to get Mr. Yoshidas is always Sam's Club and Costco. You don't find it at a lot of regular grocery stores, but a big, huge, I'm not wearing my glasses today, 96 ouncer is usually only around $7. Now there is some sugar in here. There is a little bit of sugar, so you want to put it on toward the end because you don't want that burning all over your griddle top. I think we're ready to plate this up. Beautiful color, by the way. Radish would be great in here. I had some radish in the house. So anything I can do to add different colors. This has a nice look to it. Just beautiful. Just about 6.5, I think, or 7 pounds of food in total. I want some sesame seeds, but I couldn't find our sesame seeds. Look what I found. I found our everything bagel. Of course, a couple kinds of sesame seeds in there and other little things like onion flakes. So look at that. See, nobody knows the difference. I didn't need to run out and buy sesame seeds. Take a look at that. I'm just putting a little extra sauce on top. Pretty darn cold out here. It's steaming 5 minutes later. Look at those carrots, very nice. What's nice about stir fry is zucchini noodles are beautiful. You can use a carrot pillar if you don't have something to make noodles with, which I don't. And you can do it with carrots. You can do like pretty much any kind of veggie, squash, and make these cool little noodles. Let's give it a try. Thanks for watching, everybody. I sure do appreciate it. I want to give another plug for my main show. Let's give it a try on Blackstone social media. Have the next 2 months of content already filmed. We're talking videos up here on a high mountain lake, fishing for a monster Colorado northern pike, and we cook them on the ice, making tacos, cooking steaks out on the ice, cooking down on Florida's Gulf Coast, fishing sea trout, cooking down there, making a fresh fish sandwich, making a Florida fish fillet with an orange sauce, collaborations coming up with the Blackstone team down in Florida, videos on the new Blackstone griddles like the 22-inch Pro that I mentioned. So all kinds of content. Please leave that comment down below like I asked you earlier. And until next time, this is Todd, my wife Kim, who's freezing behind the camera. Praise the Lord and pass the stir fry.